Okay, hi children. So today is Thursday, and what you're going to be doing is you are going to be changing your English topic for the next 2 days, and it's going to link instead of linking to wonder, it's going to link to our geography topic and our art topic, which are related to South America. And I'm going to take you over to the country of Brazil. Okay, so here is the first part of the lesson. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing a reading comprehension about Brazil. Okay, and answering some questions on Brazil. But the reason why you're doing that is because um, I'd like you to learn about the culture about in Brazil. I'd like you to learn about carnival. I'd like you to learn about some facts about Brazil. And then on Friday, you're going to plan and create a tourist information sheet, a tourist information brochure about Brazil. Okay. So today, you're going to be doing a reading comprehension about Brazil, researching, but also using your comprehension skills. And then tomorrow, you're going to be planning and creating a brochure, a tourist information brochure. Okay. So, uh, like it says, today you're going to be investigating the culture of Brazil and using the skills of select and retrieve and summary to do some research. And by the end of the lesson, you'll know about the culture of Brazil and you'll be able to describe the carnival. Okay? So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to the worksheets, the comprehension sheets, which are a fact file and lots of information all about the country of Brazil. So you're going to read those really thoroughly with the teacher or on your own. And then you're going to go over to the question sheets, okay? And the question sheets have lots of different questions on them for you to answer about Brazil in order that you have lots of information about the country to make a brochure, an information, tourist information brochure all about Brazil uh, for a child of your age tomorrow. So it's got to be not for adults, but for somebody of your age, the brochure. And you're going to need all this information in the brochure. So you're going to start with these 5 questions, and then there's quite a few others on the sheet for you to answer in order that you find out as much as you can about the country of Brazil. But as you can see at the questions here, the first question says, why do Brazilians speak Portuguese as their national language? And I've put in brackets, start with, Portuguese is the national language of Brazil because, just to remind you that this is in your English book or it's in your pink book, it's first week back of school, and I'd like them to be quite neatly written. If this was a comprehension for a SATs exam or for exam, you might just write one-word answers. But today, I want to see it well presented and written in nice, neat sentences. Okay, so you're answering the questions all about Brazil from the worksheet, the question sheet. You're reading the text about Brazil, and that's going to help you do your research and find out lots about the country in order that tomorrow you can create your tourist information brochure. Okay? Have a lovely, lovely English lesson. It's quite a brief video, this, but I think it tells you everything that you need to do. The last thing I want to say is that the 2 skills that you're going to be using when you're reading are selecting and retrieving, which is where you literally are reading the text and the answer will be straight in the text. And you can take the answer straight out of the text and put the answer into the sentence. So why do Brazilians speak Portuguese as their national language? Read the text, it will tell you exactly why, and then you've retrieved it, put that answer into your answer. Summarizing, however, is where you read the text and you put it into note, almost a shortened version of what's been said in the text. So it might say, summarize the information about animals in Brazil. And I think that is one of the questions. So what you're going to do is read the paragraph about animals and wildlife and then just summarize means to give the main points about that paragraph. So there's many different species, for example. The species are this, this, and this. So only the main points from that paragraph. So, summarising is shortening the information into a few small sentences. So, the skills for reading are selecting and retrieving and summarising. The whole point of the lesson is that you research Brazil and life in Brazil because tomorrow the bigger picture is us making tourist information brochures about Brazil, which will be really fun for a Friday English lesson. Thanks, everyone. Bye.